All right, for the second problem that we have here, we want to use the quadratic formula. We should all be very familiar with that, so let's just jump right in. We have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, let's go this way. So, negative 14 plus or minus, I need a calculator. I'm going to put that discriminant in the calculator. 14 squared minus 4 times 8 times 9 gives me negative 92 over 16. Now, before complex numbers, we would have looked at this and said, hey, there's a negative under the radical. That means there's no real solution, which is correct. There is no real solution. There are complex solutions or imaginary solutions. So we want to go ahead and find those. So that means this negative 92, there's going to be an I coming out of that. So we're going to have to go down here. So we're going to have negative 14 plus or minus, and we know we're going to have an I on the outside of that radical. Now, the 92, we're going to need a factor tree. I'll put that over here. I don't know. That's 2 and 46, which is 2 and 23, and that's as good as it gets, I believe. Okay. So we'll pull the 2 out. The 23 stays all over 16. Now, remember, you can only reduce if you have factored something out. So look at the numerator. We can factor out a 2, which leaves us with negative 7 plus or minus I root 23. It's a negative. All over 16. And now, since we factored out the 2, we can look at 2/16, and that can be reduced to 1/8, so we can go ahead and do that. So we still have negative 7 plus or minus I root 23 all over 8. And that is your final answer.